This is good. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 price is confirmed, and we even confirm what variants we're going to get in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And yes, new cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are also out. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 10th along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, and you can also reserve your device now from Samsung's official website and get $100 credit on it, or $200 if you buy all three devices. And according to leaks, Samsung will also give you Galaxy Buds and case along with it. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, would you prefer Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 over iPhone 14 Pro Max? Although there is no match, but still a good comparison can happen. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 Korean prices are also out, and it is now confirmed what price we will get with the Z Fold 4. According to South Korean publication ED News, the shipment price of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is set to 1.9 million won, which is equal to $1,527 for 256 gigs version, and around 2.1 million for 512 gigs version, which is equal to $1,600. But these are same prices just like its predecessor Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which means you can expect the same price for these devices just like Z Fold 3. As previous leaks were indicating that the prices in Europe are 1849 euros for 256 gigs version and 1999 euros for 512 gigs version. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 just appeared on Samsung Care Plus, and we get an idea what color options and what storage options we are going to get in the Z Fold 4. Sad to mention, there is no burgundy red color available in the Z Fold 4, at least according to Samsung Care Plus, and also there is no 128 gigs version and 1 TB version, which means either Samsung will make this special edition or they just release these devices in some areas, or these devices are not existed and these are just rumors. Although the colors you can get from Z Fold 4 are beige, the light one with the golden metal sides, the traditional phantom black, and a new color, gray green. The new cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are also out, but to my surprise, there's no confirmed news if the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 support an S Pen or not, since these cases don't have an S Pen slot, which is not usual, or either Samsung will make a special cases just to carry an S Pen along with the Z Fold 4. But the white cases on the Z Fold 4 beige color looks nice, but I would prefer going with the matte black. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, would you prefer Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 over iPhone 14 Pro Max? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.